In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create your very own Google Forms survey. Whether you're conducting research for a project, collecting feedback, or simply planning an event, Google Forms offer a convenient and versatile way to gather information. Let's dive right in and get started. First, you'll want to search for Google Forms. You can do this by simply typing Google Forms into your preferred search engine. Once you hit the Enter key, Google will show you a list of search results. Look for the official Google Forms webpage and click on it. This will redirect you to the main Google Forms page where all the magic happens. Now that you're on the right page, you'll need to choose a template for your survey. Google Forms provides a variety of templates to meet different needs. You might find options like customer feedback, event registration, or even a blank form if you're feeling creative and want to start from scratch. Take a minute to browse through the templates available and select one that best suits your survey's purpose. After selecting your template, it's important to provide a form description. This is the place where you explain to your participants what your survey is all about. Try to be clear and concise about the purpose of the survey and what kind of information you are looking to gather. Having a well-written description can encourage more people to participate and provide the input that you're looking for. Once the description is in place, the next step involves customizing the questions and answers. To do this, you can explore the different answer layout options Google Forms has to offer. There's an array of choices available, from short answer and paragraph for open-ended questions to multiple choice, checkboxes, and drop-down menus for more structured responses. Take some time to consider what kind of answers you're expecting from your audience and choose the format that will best capture the data you need. And there you have it. A simple yet effective Google Forms survey ready to be shared with your audience. Congratulations on setting up your survey form. This versatile tool not only allows you to collect valuable information, but also organizes it in a way that's easy to analyze later. Remember, creating an engaging survey is key to collecting the most useful information. Take advantage of the customization options available to you and tailor your survey to meet your specific needs. Thanks for joining me today, and happy surveying.